I'm sorry, Puss, but you're gonna be real proud of me when me and my brothers are heroes.
Oh, they're just playing a game. A fun game. Oh, funny.
Are you fibbing to me? Your eye is twitching.
She played us a beautiful tune, and she made my stomach feel like it's full of butterflies. And I haven't even eaten any today.
In your walls, I got all the thinks I ever thunk. I just gotta find them, like I gotta find that one scroll.
But a sorcerer of my caliber cannot be destroyed. Eating me only released my soul. I wandered the earth looking for power.
My team deserves a feast. Pancakes by the foot, cheesecake with gravy, sausage milkshakes, macaroni and cheese, and a broth of melted... excuse me, people, may I interrupt your eating for a moment?
That was amazing.
That not golem flying cat did it.
Whatever. Later! Why is no one protecting San Lorenzo? Where is Puss in Boots?
Oh, Puss, you crack me up. There's nothing confusing about it. For mer people, it is the merman who carries the child.
Exile to the... You realize this is what I wanted all along, right? Okay, so I am just going to go. Good night, Pahuna.
Good night, laddie. Get home safe.
Very good.
And so did we. We're scheming filthy thieves. Huzzah!
My thieves!
Well then, anyone for pudding? Whoops!
I'm glad to see you haven't lost your touch when it comes to road gruel, Huna.
So... break for lunch?
Break for lunch.
And now Ross has decided to stop trying to kill me because she admires and respects me so much.
Ah, fountain of burps.
Aw, I missed my mustache.
Unhand that gassy piggy at once! You do not want to mess with pudding.
Hey, nerds, I'm back! Ew!
That was so awesome! Even the part where I couldn't see you, Puss!
Thank you, Toby.
Ugh, okay, fine. But Toby has to say it too because... Ew! Release!
That was 61.
Tiny Puss.
Hello.
Invisible Puss. Glutton Puss. Lookout Puss. Manly Mustache Puss. To the Mole Kingdom. Listen, I'm going to need you to stop spending time with Toby, okay? He is young, impressionable, and full of gas. But
When did you possibly manage to...
Shh. Don't ruin the moment.
Hairball of my heart. Brilliant.
That was a hairball in my stomach.
Hi.